Milk, often lauded for its nutritional benefits, can present challenges, right, due to its impact on blood sugar levels. So join me today. This is Dr. Ahmed Ergin. I'm your endocrinologist, or at least your YouTube endocrinologist, a diabetes specialist, and I will tell you the milk types, uncovering those that may actually pose risks for diabetics, and we are going to explore some suitable alternatives today. Now, milk containing lactose, right? It's a natural sugar, can significantly affect your blood sugar levels right after you drink it. This presents a dilemma, right, for those with diabetes who love the milk and who must carefully manage their blood sugar levels. So what do? Well, do you remember something called the glycemic index? It measures how quickly the foods and drinks raise your blood sugar levels. Well, dairy products vary in their GI, glycemic index, depending on factors such as fat content and processing and all that. So understanding these differences is essential for you, people with diabetes, to make informed decisions. So what are the milks that you have to be careful about? Number one is the flavored milk. Laden with added sugars and artificial flavorings, the flavored milk really can cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels. That's no brainer. Now, you should opt for unsweetened varieties or flavor your milk with things like cinnamon or some vanilla extract. So be creative, right? Now, full-fat milk. Well, full-fat milk may actually have a lower GI because of its fat content, but it can still impact your blood sugar levels, especially if you keep consuming it in large quantities. So moderation is the key. If you have to drink regular milk, it is okay to drink milk, high-fat milk, but in small amounts, maybe like 4 ounces. Otherwise, it's going to cause weight gain and eventually insulin resistance, because at the end of the day, calories are calories. It's going to add up. And if you're drinking milk and going to bed, where's that milk gonna go? Come on, right? So if you have to drink milk, again, drink milk, very small amount, 4 ounces, or consider the alternatives, right? Which I'll talk to you in a minute. Lastly, there are plant-based milks we talked about before, right? If they're sweetened, like sweetened almond or oat milk, will appear healthy, but often they contain a lot of sugars if you look at the labels. So you have to carefully scrutinize labels and go for unsweetened varieties to avoid that unnecessary sugar stuff. Now, how about diabetes-friendly options? Like I said, unsweetened almond milk is great, low in carbohydrates and calories. Unsweetened almond milk is great for diabetics, so especially if you're hungry at night and you don't know what to do, grab that. So if you have to have something in your stomach, put that in your stomach. Low calorie, low carb. It has a nutty flavor. It's generally fortified with calcium and vitamin D, because you need that as a diabetic, right? Especially vitamin D. Next option could be an unsweetened soy milk. They're rich in protein and, again, low in carbohydrates. Now, soy has some other problems for some people. It may not be great for everybody, but especially for female diabetics, could be a great option. Because of the essential amino acids in there, it can actually improve cholesterol levels and heart health as well. The third option would be unsweetened coconut milk, right? It is creamy, right? Nice texture, a hint of tropical flavor. Unsweetened coconut milk is very refreshing for most diabetics. It is low in carbohydrates and calories again, and it will not touch your blood sugar levels. That's right. Achieving balance is key when incorporating milk into your diet if you're trying to cut back on it, right? Always stick to the recommended serving sizes to prevent overconsumption of anything that has carbohydrates. Again, 4 to 6 ounces will be plenty. You can pair your milk with high fiber foods like protein-rich foods to slow down the absorption even more and to promote stable blood sugar levels. Again, variety is the key. And at the end of the day, you should experiment with different milk types and incorporate them into a diverse range of recipes to keep the meals interesting and nutritionally balanced. And also keep yourself happy. That is most important. To find out more about diet and good choices, please check SugarMDs.com for your free copy of the Doctor's Guide to Diabetic Diet. Please subscribe, share, and like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. It If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.